The day is complete. Gonna find a place in the shade, chill out here for I have no idea how long. Hello. Chad, hey. Cześć i dzień dobry from here in Poznan, Poland. Hope you guys are doing, hope you're doing great today. I know this, what you're about to hear me say, I don't usually have, but I do today. I have a lot of things to do first, but I have a plan. Today, I have a plan, but just have to do some things first, then can get on with the plan. Dzień dobry. Wszystko dobrze? Tak? Okay, good. Please.
Like yesterday?
Yeah. Okay, so got my strawberries, had to do my little ritual. Well, it's gonna change every day, but today I felt like kind of doing the same beginning as yesterday. Got me some cherries, got water, strawberries, because they're so good here. Good luck with me having it with a white shirt on. But you know, one thing I've always believed in is the calm before the storm. Meaning that, you know, when you look at the storm as maybe not something bad, but just a lot of things are gonna go on. For example, with me, when it's basketball, it's right before the game's about to start, there's a certain calm that comes over me, and I need just a moment of silence before I start going crazy and attack and get into basketball mode. When I arrive in a city and I'm just about to walk out of the train station into the craziness, I always have that moment of just, and then going at about it. Just the last example, which might resonate with you guys, right before you're about to jump in the water. If you're running around like crazy, you just don't jump straight in the water. You run, maybe you do a lot of crazy stuff, then you take your breath, and then you jump in the water. And I'm a big believer in that calm before the storm. And knowing today's gonna be a long day, got a lot of things to do. Okay, so this is probably like 2-3 hours later. Like I say, I have a plan, but I have something I have to say. I just was, you know, when I'm kind of working, there's always like a little 20-15 minute window when I kind of just read through you guys' comments. And one comment that I mean, the comments don't bother me. Like if people knew how many negative comments are there every day, not just from the video that is up that you're watching now, but all the videos from the past year, people comment on those as well. And one thing that people say is like, they're like, Luke, you're always walking by the same place, which I've just been here for 3 days and it's kind of normal. But then I just got me thinking, like, don't most people walk the same way, the same route, same restaurant? Don't they do that like for like 20, 30, 40 years, you know? And I'm doing it for like 3 days, and I'm wondering, like, just the kind of logic kind of hit me there. I felt like I had to get that off my chest. I know it wasn't you, but someone did say it, and I just feel like I had to address it. Like, that people need to realize that maybe you do the same thing every single day, but for like 30 or 40 years. Just something to kind of think about when I'm taking the same route. But that wasn't to you, like I say, but that was to the person who left that comment. But anyways, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling happy. Happy to be here in Poznan. Gonna explore a little bit more today. I guess one thing, Poznan is such a beautiful city. There's almost no need to ever eat in the restaurant. Just take your food to go. Okay, food is all finished up. Going for a mandatory little afternoon sweet. Check out this cookie. And apparently there's like an Oreo inside there. That's the cookie, but look at the rest of the stuff that they have here. It's so unhealthy, but really good. I can't even eat this whole thing. I had to try it though. Like, how can I sit here and not get that, you know? So, yeah. And this is the name of the place. I know people are gonna ask me. This is the name. Can you guys see this? Right here. Crazy thing is when it's open, I don't know if you guys can see because of the glare, it's open from like 11:07 to 20:07. Nice, different. Right now I'm a little bit completely, almost 100% lost, but it almost looks like there's like a mall on the other side. Looks like a mall over there. Maybe change of plans. Okay, so for sure I just found a mall. Not that I need to buy anything, but it's pretty cool and it's air conditioned and it is super hot outside. So maybe change of plans, pause the plan of going to the lake. Maybe chill here and check out this mall. Poznan. Okay, so found the mall. Time to check it out. And it's just in time because it is so hot. Air conditioning is 100% needed right now. Dang, this place is huge. I must say this has to be the biggest entrance to a mall that I've ever seen. This smoothie place right here, ordered a smoothie. It's a 15-minute wait for the smoothie, so it must be really good or I feel right now like my day is complete. Green smoothie, been walking around, got a green smoothie here in the mall, discovered some things. I feel like this plan for today is not gonna work out like I thought it or had planned it to work out. Goodness, and it is so hot out here, it's no joke. But this place right here, definitely approved of places to come to. Ooh, and what do you know? Well, I think I've arrived at the place. Not 100% sure. So no walking down this way? Huh. Okay, so I think I've arrived at the place. I didn't think I was going to today, which would have been okay. But I think I've arrived to what they say, I think, excuse me if I'm pronouncing it wrong, Lake Malta. Here finally to Lake Malta. I think this is the name of it, guys. Excuse me if I'm getting it wrong, but it just kind of goes to show you, even if I wouldn't have made it here, it's about enjoying the, I guess it could be a thought of the day as well. It's about like enjoying the day. It's about enjoying the journey, meaning that even if I didn't arrive to the lake, if I just decided to have the smoothie and just stay at that mall the rest of the day, it's okay. And one thing when you guys are traveling, and not only when you're traveling, when you're going about your day, going from point A to B, you're going from work to home, don't be so caught up in that I'm at work and I gotta go home that you forget to realize that it's that journey home that's when the magic happens. That's when the stuff happens. That's when it's like, instead of just driving straight home, I'm gonna go for a walk in the park. And as you're going through that walk in the park, it's when you meet someone amazing, when you discover something new. For me, it's always about the journey, because that's when the magic happens. That's where the magic is. It's not in the destination. That direction's important. I mean, the destination, of course, is important, but I believe that the destination is only important because it points you in the right direction. But it's not about the destination necessarily, it's about enjoying the journey. And I guess being here, since I've arrived at the destination, plan for the day is complete. Gonna find a place in the shade, chill out here for, I have no idea how long. Hello. Chad, hey. It's about enjoying the journey though. All the people you meet, everything along the way, it all makes it up. And just wanted to say thank you guys again. Hope that I'm able to give you guys some value. And if I can give you guys travel advice, life advice, anything, always feel free to reach out to me, guys. I try to reach out and get back to, oh, the wind. I try to get a hold of as many people as I can. Reach out to me on Instagram, reach out to me in emails. I've been responding to a lot of you guys lately, gonna respond to even more of you guys tomorrow. And in the meantime, guys, thank you so much for all your support. All of you new people around here, please leave a comment. Let me know how you're doing, how everything's going, where you're from. Always great to hear from you, and I'll talk to you guys all later. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile.